What if a neural network could look at every word in a sentence, all at once? Old neural networks read text like you read a book, one word at a time, left to right. But that means they forget earlier context by the time they reach the end. Transformers use something called self-attention. Every word looks at every other word simultaneously. The network assigns attention weights on deciding which words are most relevant to each other. For each word, the transformer creates three vectors: query, key, and value. It compares queries and keys to calculate attention scores, then uses those to weight the values. This lets transformers understand context in both directions and process everything in parallel. That's why models like GPT and BERT are transformers at their core. Transformers revolutionized AI by letting every word attend to every other word all at once.